Hi guys, in today's mini session we are going to be focusing on calming the nervous system with some breath work and a couple of restorative poses. All you need for today's practice is something to sit on, a cushion or something comfortable, and a sturdy chair that we're going to be resting our head against. Also, as we'll be breathing in and out through the nose, do make sure to clear your nose before we start our practice. If it's not comfortable to breathe in and out through the nose today, or perhaps you have a deviated septum and it's not comfortable to breathe that way, you can actually just visualize the breath entering and leaving through each side of the nostrils. So if you just pause the video, grab what you need, and I'll see you back on the mat. So to start our pranayama practice, we will sit up nice and tall and close your eyes. Just take a moment just to drop in and just notice the breath. Notice where it feels most apparent in the body. Notice the rise and fall of each breath and how the body expands and opens to welcome the breath in, and how it softens as the breath exits. Now we'll start our alternate nostril breathing, otherwise known as Nadi Shodhana. So in this practice, we're going to be closing each nostril in turn and focusing on the breath there. Try not to overbreathe, so really focus on the smoothness and the coolness or the warmth of each breath. We'll be closing your right nostril with your right thumb and your left nostril with your ring finger and baby finger. And you can rest your first two peace fingers just at the space between your eyebrows. This also helps you to focus on this area too, your third eye. So just gently resting the first two fingers, the peace fingers, on your eyebrow center. Take a deep breath in through both nostrils. And exhale completely. Now we'll close your right nostril with your right thumb gently and inhale through the left side. Close the left side and exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. One more breath. Inhale, right side. Close. Exhale left. And now resting your right hand down on your thighs. Just noticing the breath as it rises and falls here. Noticing already how the nervous system has begun to settle and calm down. So Nadi Shodhana is very good for relieving stress in the body, helping us to calm our emotions. It also works really well with the cardiovascular system. Also keeping that calmness and quietness inside. We're going to turn the body to face your chair. And we're going to start with a straddle, a wide-legged straddle. So if you're not finding it comfortable to sit on the floor, you can take a cushion underneath your sit bones here. You're going to come up close to your chair. And then this is where the extra cushion is handy. You can just rest your forehead on the cushion. You can release your arms down to the floor, palms up or down. Just feeling the body supported. Just feeling the breath moving easily through you. Letting the arms, the shoulders be heavy. Just asking yourself, what can I let go of here? What no longer serves me physically, mentally, emotionally, energetically? And we'll take one more breath in here, inhale. And as you exhale, slowly begin to walk back. Again, take a moment to check in. And then we'll finish with another restorative pose. So if you scoot your hips in close to your chair, and you can place your lower legs on the chair here. And then bring the upper body to the floor. We can rest our hands lightly on the rib cage, elbows nice and wide. Again, just coming back to your simple, easy breath. Just noticing, is it easy or difficult to surrender to these restorative poses? To settle into not doing, just being present. Surrendering to the support of the earth beneath you. Just feeling the earth breathe with you. So merging, not resisting, not holding. Surrender into the gentle beat of the earth, that gentle pulsation that breathes life into you with each breath in and each breath out. Take one more breath in here, inhale. And then as you exhale, just rolling gently onto your right side. You can take your hand as a pillow underneath your ear. Just take a moment to check in. And then when you're ready, slowly, mindfully bring yourself to a comfortable seat. Thank you for joining me for today's practice. Backing vocals were courtesy of Rosie and Wiggles. See you again tomorrow. Namaste.